Baker's dozen. Baker's dozen. It's an idiom. It means not 12 in number but 13. A group or a set of 13, which means 13. Baker's dozen is simply 13 in number, not 12. Let's see the examples. The first one. Did you get a dozen or a baker's dozen? Which means did you get 12 or 13? 13 means a baker's dozen. That's it. Second one. Don't give me just 10 roses. Give me a baker's dozen. Which means give me 13. Means baker's dozen. Third one. The fellow gave me a baker's dozen of cookies. It made my children very happy. So he gave me a 13 cookies. A baker's dozen of cookies means 13 cookies. That's it. Fourth one. I always carry a baker's dozen chocolates in my purse. Carry 13 chocolates. Baker's dozen means 13 chocolates. The fifth one. I needed only 10 cars and my car dealer friend arranged me baker's dozen cars. So he arranged me 13 cars. Whereas I asked for only 10 cars, he arranged 13 cars. So baker's dozen means 13. The story is long back in 1216 in England. So England government passed a law in the parliament in 1266 which specified exactly how much each loaf of bread must weigh. When a baker sold a loaf that was less than the specified weight, a heavy penalty was imposed on him. To prevent this from happening, a baker always gave an extra loaf of bread to the customer. If you brought 12 loaves of bread, the baker gave you 13 just to make sure that he was not penalized. So, when you ask for 12, they used to give 13 to escape, to save themselves from penalization. So, baker's dozen is nothing but 13 in number, not 12.